As cells age, they start to break down. They don't work as well as they used to. The body understands this, and so cells are actually programmed to die after a certain time through a series of different signals from outside the cell and inside the cell. About a dozen different things have to be triggered, which then causes cell death. Cancer is when a cell forgets how to die. Something interferes with one of those signals, or maybe several of those signals, and so the cell doesn't die. It just keeps reproducing over and over and over. And that lack of an ability to die sticks with it as it changes. And that's what makes curing cancer so difficult, because there's a bunch of different things that are all involved with the cancer. And so the goal is to find out what specific issue is causing the cancer, which signal isn't being read by the cell, and then can we reproduce that signal some other way? It's always easier to try and prevent the cancer. So, a heavy loading of antioxidants, the berries I talked about earlier, things like that. Because once cancer has taken root, it does become very, very, very difficult to stop it and reverse it. It's helping you understand the world. All right, later.